previous lesson, we added this blurb right here. In this lesson, we're going to delete this now. Click cancel. Let's click here to delete it. And we are going to add a button. So click on the button and you can call this whatever you want it to be. You can click sign up now, sign up today. And you can choose the different types. Now, when you click on this drop down, you have so many options that you can choose from. You choose secondary. Based on what you choose, the color of the button is going to change. The background changes. So if you want to style your website with a specific color scheme, you can just come here and choose something that you want. And you can also have it just as a link. And you can make the button full width. When you do that, you can't really see anything right now, but when you click on, let's say, any one of these, you see that it's now full width, and you can move the positioning of the text alignment. Do you want it to be outline? When you have an outline, it looks like that. So when you change it, outline gives like a transparent background, but when you put your mouse over it, and that looks really, really good if you wanted to do something. Now, if you want to add an image, you certainly can do so. And we'll choose one of these. You can select any one of the images here. I'm going to choose the first one. So now we've chosen that image for this particular icon button. And you can change the size of it, how big you want it to be. You can make that as big as you want it. And you can choose the placement to the left or to the right. And you can come here, scroll smoothly. You can put a link wherever you want this to link to. This is where you put your link. And as always, the styles gives you a little bit more option if you wanted to change the font. We've already done this before, so you should be familiar with how to edit the styles, the text color. You can change the hover color. You have a lot of control and flexibility over that. So you put your mouse, now you get that. You can change it to something else. You can change different things here. The hover icon color. See, when you change the hover icon color, it's that. Let's change it to green. The text color. And the border. This is where add new border styles. You can choose the border. And choose the pixel. The border width is 4. We'll put a border on the button. That's for the top. If you want for the bottom, you can do the same thing. If you want for the side, right to the left, you've added it. So this gives you a lot of creativity to be able to do that. That's the old one. So you have a lot of options. So feel free to play with it, mess with it, do whatever you want. Just, let your creative part of you just come out.